everybody, and welcome back to Kieran Monday. And today, we're going to use our slime to make a slime bubble.
Yep, and then it's time to do the
Yes! Let's do it!
Okay, guys, let's get started.
Should we?
Put it in.
So, this is my slime.
Okay, I'm gonna go check it out.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Uh-oh, that's more. I'll get more.
Okay. Oh! Try it.
Whoa! Sorry! That's weird.
Okay.
That was a weird video.
Okay, let's try it again. I'm going to get her. Okay. Here I come. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Uh-oh. Try it again.
How did you do that?
Oof. Let's try it again.
Whoa! Is that weird?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, 1. There. And there. Okay. Ew. No. Let's try it again.
Let's move.
Okay.
Now, give me my slime.
Okay.
This is mine.
Okay.
Oh no, we're not supposed to break the tape.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, here we're going to do this.
Okay, let's try it again. Get it?
Oh, yes!
Okay, thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Enjoy the subscribing channel and thanks for watching. Bye!
Have a nice